what is coherency? Coherency is the visual sanity of the image. Coherency refers to how well the visual elements in an image make consistent, plausible sense together. Think of coherency as the image's internal logic. Are the limbs attached properly? Does the light source match the shadows? Are the glasses actually on the face and not just hovering nearby? So we generally want the rules of coherency in play, right? We find coherency desirable generally because we want our images to make visual sense. In fact, if you guys have been playing with Midjourney for a while, one of the things you might notice is that Midjourney is often incoherent, even without our help. For example, if I just do this prompt here, 3 acrobats do cartwheels on the beach. You can see that Midjourney really struggles with coherency. Do you see how this doesn't make any visual sense? Right. Sadie says, ah ha ha. Yeah, oh dear, legs everywhere. Yeah, there's just no helping it. This is a very simple prompt. Midjourney cannot get coherency. This actually isn't bad compared to the others. I mean, they kind of have club feet. It's a little bit confusing, but it's not as bad as some of the others. This is just painful to look at. And Midjourney, where do I want the legs to be? Midjourney, yes. Oh my God, this guy needs a hospital. So this is problems with coherence, right? But, at the same time, as aesthetic explorers, we might actually want to throw coherency out the window for some of our projects, for all I know.